mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto niarutite watho wa kweheria andu aria othe makoretwo na makiria makiungumania ruhongeini rwa mititu na ta uria wairimũ wa Kimani arataririe ni ati President William Ruto ni ugite ati no mwaka andu aria makoretwo magitabania ungumania sector-ini ino makorwo makiheranio nao na makiria nginyagia mabuku-ini ma githirikari. Ruto aritio hindi ya kurekereria makuruti aria makoretwo makirikia wira wa kana gukorwo magithomera uhoro wigi urangeri wa mititu.
Akiaria igongonaini ria kurekererio kwa makuruti a ruhonge rwa mititu na aria mareketie kuhituka mathomo mao mwena wa gilgil, mutongoria wa bururi Dr. William Ruto niarutite ndumiriri kuri ruhonge ruu akiuga aungumania othe aria makoragwo rungu-ini rwa ruhonge rwa mititu bururi-ini wa Kenya nio macungireire uthukangia wa mititu bururi-ini.
We will not allow the few people engaged in criminal activity to deny us the opportunity to exploit our commercial forests, our forest assets for the growth of our country and the growth of our economy and the creation of jobs for our young people. We will deal firmly with them. We will be decisive.
Woko akienda atongoria ao othe kumarugamia wira aria makuruhanitio na uthukangia uyo woko ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI rugithie na mbere gwika uthuthuria wao na nigetha mahingurirwo thitango.
We will deal firmly with them. We will be decisive and give ourselves the opportunity to use our forest assets responsibly, sustainably, to grow our economy, grow our jobs as we grow our country.
Mutongoria wa bururi ndanatigire hau indi ni augiria kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio maabitha aya a mititu aria ni makiria ya 20 ni mekurugamirio mishara yao itanjira imwe ya kumoera ikinya na kwambia thabari ya gutheria sector ya mititu na gutigirira gutire kamene ka ungumania gatigara.
Your Excellency, the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry has been facing numerous challenges, which include illegal logging, charcoal burning, forest encroachment, among others. Your Excellency, you also know that we are calling out to our partners to help us fence off all our protected ecosystems in the country.
Igongona riri rikubitwo riri ni atongoria matiganite umwe wao ari Governor Susan Kihika uria urutire ngofia aria marekirie kuhumbo thumbi guku akimendithiria maundu mega utungata-ini wao kuri bururi ruhonge-ini rwa mititu.
My role here will just be to congratulate and wish the very best for our forest rangers who are graduating here today, and as they join this noble national cause, wish them all the best going forward in their careers and in helping you and us in conserving the forest.
Gerifotera Muthingi TV getwo wairimũ wa Kimani.
Ngatho cia mwanya mundu gwitwo ti wairimũ wa Kimani ni undu wa riboti yo munini wa